Hello, welcome again to my channel. Today I'll take you through how to manage your Gmail. So the first thing you have to do is you download the app if it is not installed, but it's already there. Just go to the Play Store, then you double click, then you go to your Gmail. You wait for it. So when you don't have any Google account, you add yours here. You click on this plus icon, then you come to sign in. After signing in, then now you create your new account. Then you select the one you use for my personal use, for my child, for work or my business. But here you have to choose for my personal use. And then here you add your first name. Then you go to your last name, but it is optional. Then you go to next. Here you go to your month. You select any January. Then your day. Then add the year here. Then you go to your gender. You choose. Then you go to next. So for here, when you're creating if you already have your Gmail address, you choose. But if you're creating another one, you create your own. You come here, then you enter your Gmail address. Here you can use letters, numbers, and periods as well. And you go to next. So when you go to next, you'll come to creating a strong password. So here you create your password. Then here you confirm it. You can even show your password. Then you go to next. Then here you get a verification code sent to your phone. You put here your phone number. And you go to next. Then now like the code, you'll send for you the code to your phone. Then you check on it. Then now you copy the code in your phone. and you put then you go to next. Then here you can also add your recovery email. You either skip it or you put it. So this is all. So this is your email address, then your recovery mobile number, then you go to next. Wow. Then here now you read the terms and conditions, privacy and terms. After reading all this, then you agree. And that is all. But then now you come here, you say sign. Yes, I am in. Wow. And now you come to, this is your Gmail. You've already opened it, so you can come to it. It is already here. You can also manage your Google account. So here you can come to home to check other things. So when you come here to home, you'll get inbox, compose, search, then other main menu things. This is for your personal information and other things. So that's all about opening your Gmail account. So if you have any question, anything to add on it, it is all fine. Thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing. Hope you'll follow me on the next video.